Alright, hi, I'm Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making Dijon fish cakes with steamed green beans. So in my bowl here I have my egg, a little bit of mayo, and the Dijon mustard that the recipe calls for, all whisked together. This is what we're going to dip our tilapia fillets in before we dip them into our seasoned panko breadcrumbs that have a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of fresh dill in as well. So the first thing we're going to do is take one fish fillet, kind of coat it in. Shake off the excess, and then go right into our breadcrumbs. Kind of coat those a little bit. Press your breadcrumbs down onto them. You could even dust these in just a little bit of flour beforehand too, and that'll help your breading stick even just a little bit better. That's another little tip. Okay, so we got one coated. Do the next one. Same thing to this one, as we did to the last. Okay, so now we have our pan heating up on about medium-high heat with just a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to crisp these up in the pan and steam our green beans in the microwave steamer, and we'll show you what the finished product looks like in just a minute. Alright, we're ready to throw these into the pan. So take a pair of tongs, carefully lay them down. Okay, we're going to let these brown on both sides.